Hey guys, Cookie Cat Saber Cat here. Today I'm doing the greatest challenge. You guys never heard of this, but I'm doing a challenge where I'm finding old stuff in the fridge. And yeah, I'll be right back. Hold on, let's see what's in. Be right back, guys. Okay, so I just looked in the fridge. Looks in the fridge. Right now it's night. It's nighttime. Oh my god, guys, look. It's open dip. Here, get it out. Look, it's open dip. It's open dip. I'm gonna open it. See if it's good. I'm gonna put this. Let's try to put this. There we go. Oh my god, guys, look how chunky that is. This is like freezing cold. Okay, I'm gonna find some expired chips. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Hey guys, I found some expired chips right here. And I found an expired drink. I found a lot of expired stuff. This is not my house. I have some stuff here for a little. Here's the chip. Look how disgusting that is. It's weird, honey. Oh my god. I have to do 10 of these. Ugh. Okay. This is my fourth chip, guys. Oh my god. Wait, that first. Look how much that's on. 5 more to go. The chips don't taste fine, but not that fine. That's not good. 6. Seven. No. 8. 9. Guys, this is gonna be a super challenge right here. Oh my god, look. Oh my god. Well, we got 11 to that two together. Oh, yeah. I found an old hell of a good dip. And that's what it is. Okay guys, I have some wood chocolate stuff here. I'm gonna open it. Oh, there we go. Ugh. Guys, this tastes like... One. I got 3 because how big it was. I'm gonna do my whole finger, guys. This is gonna be 4 and 5. How much that is, guys? Let me see. Ready? That's not good. Nope. 8. This is 9 and 10, but and that was the expired food challenge. Now, if you haven't did this challenge yet, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and go check out my haunted doll. Oh God, I had chocolate all over my face because I accidentally squirted all over. Check out my haunted doll, part 1 all the way to part 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. And you just got pranked. If you fell for that, don't worry, you're not a loser, you're not none of that. So, I'll be right back. Look, cake. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to see more, leave more challenges down below. And yes, subscribe. And you can go look at other challenges. So yeah. So if you like search up more challenges or anything of that, send it down in the comments down below. See? Cookie Cat, Super Cat out. Peace out, home dogs. So yeah. And check out more. I'll do, and starting tomorrow, Saturday, I'm doing a vlog. So yeah, see you guys, and that'll be part 1 in the vlog. If you want to come in, just leave a comment down below. I'll text you my address. And yeah, if I don't know you, if you're somebody's friend who I know, that's okay. I'm gonna get to know you. So see you guys. Bye. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna do something. Say bye, kitty. Bye, kitty. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, is this thing still on? I have a kitty. This is Lovey. I'm sorry, baby. See you guys later. Peace out, peoples.